Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Just a quick US30 analysis, just to show you what is happening, what I'm expecting to happen. So I won't waste much time on this one. So looking from here, lower high, break structure here, or broke structure. After the break of structure here, we establish this lower low. After this lower low, you saw that the market shoot all the way to the upside. So from this point, all this to me that was happening here, from this zone to up until we broke this lower high, it was simply buying opportunity moment, right? Then that was a push, and it created a new high that was higher than this one, right? New high that was higher than this high. So meaning this is my higher high here, right? So after establishing my high here, already the other confirmation that we're now in a bullish market structure. Point A, my low here to my high, point A to point B. So right now you realize that the market actually came and respected 50% Fibonacci, where you could have actually placed a support like that. 50% Fibonacci support level as well, like that. So you could have used that as confluence to enter the buy for this counter trend line. You could have also used it, this counter trend line, this counter trend line, this counter trend line. Okay, this counter trend line, you could have simply used it as well to enter this buy. So you could have either entered there or simply entered upon the break of the counter trend line break. So yeah, there are two ways of identifying first target. So according to me, if ever you're using if ever you want to be conservative of your profits and also make sure that you lock some profits, this was going to be my first target. Break out of this counter trend line. First target is this. Second target is this trend line now, where it is now, where it's touching now. That's the second target. Third target is the previous high, which is here, 0%. So first target, TP1, TP2, TP3, 0%, TP4, I'm looking to negative 27%. Those who know my Fibonacci strategy, those who are part of the course, actually, they actually know what I'm talking about. Negative 27 around this zone here, that would be my TP4. So right now the market is bullish, very strongly bullish, very strongly bullish. If you check where my negative 27% is, it's also confluencing with this zone roughly. It's also confluencing with this zone here. That's a resistance there, resistance level there. Or I can simply mark this supply here, right? It's also confluencing with this major supply zone. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. So right now, this whole week, basically this whole week, even last week, US30 has been bullish. US30 has been bullish. Smart traders like me, we have been holding buys from this zone here, entered buys. This was actually last week, 20 March, last week, around last week. uh, so it has been bullish. Even the news that happened, CPI, it was simply following respecting technical analysis. That's the funny part. Most people, they don't realize that this fundamental news that you say fundamental news, it's simply following technical analysis. Most of it is simply following technical analysis and taking its data from technical analysis. So right now, this is what I'm currently seeing: a break above there, a break above this trend line, break above here. It's simply continuation to 0%, which is my first target, as I said. Then you wait for some retracements, or you wait for some channels to form, channels like your falling wedges, because those ones they actually give you, or even your consolidation. You wait for some consolidation or something before you continue going higher. So right now, simply waiting for 0%. Once you get to 0%, uh wait for some channels to form before we continue all the way to negative 27%. So US30 this week, even next week, still looking forward for more bullish, more bullish, more bullish, more bullish, more bullish pressure to kick in around up until we reach negative 27%. That is my final target, final target. So far is bullish, up until we break this level, of which I don't think it's going to happen in time soon, whereby it's going to come and break this higher low. So far market structure is bullish, and focus more on getting the buys, focus more on getting the buys. So guys, thank you for watching, this was simply the quickest breakdown that I've ever done, that I just wanted to share with you, to show you that this skill, we've been in the game for a very long time, and being quiet does not mean that we're not present. We are there, we are present. Remember, this game, at the end of the day, it's all about making money. In trading is all about making money. It's not about being loud, people knowing you, or people. It's not all about that. It's about you making money. Make your money, keep quiet, and make your money, So these are the resistance here. Once it's broken, you know that we're going all the way up. So right now, so far it has given some beautiful profits from this zone up until where it is now. Because that was actually a beautiful moment. So guys, this is the analysis that I'm having for US30. When I go to lower time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, when I'm going to lower time frames, I'm simply going there to identify an entry point, or scaling in point, or a level that I can shift my stop losses to. That's what I do on those lower time frames. But basically, my main analysis, I do it on the higher time frames. That is your monthly, or weekly, or daily. That is why I do my main analysis. Then lower time frames, I simply use them, as I said, for scaling in, or if it's not scaling in, it's for shifting my stop loss higher and higher and higher, shifting my stop loss higher and higher and higher. So if you look at 4 hour, we had this level as well. With this level as well, resistance, broken, retest. Simple strategy. Break, retest, boom, flew all the way. You would have targeted there. So right now it has reached the trend line. Simple things. So guys, like the video, share the video. See you in the next video. I'm going to be sharing these analysis setups as quickly as I can, as often as I can, to make sure that you get that understanding, you gain experience from someone who has been in the game for a very long time. So that is what I'm currently seeing, guys. That is what I'm currently seeing that is happening on US30. If ever, let's say, it's going to sell, most probably it has to break some channels. This channel here, it would have to break this channel to the downside. If ever it's going to sell, it has to break not only that channel, it has to actually, if ever it's going to sell, it has to actually break this previous internal structure higher low. Once it breaks that one, retest, then boom, fall maybe to a level of demand, or fair value gap, or order block, whatever, then before maybe continuing up. Because so long it doesn't break this zone that I showed you, so long it doesn't break there, we are still in an overall bullish market structure. So even if we get some drops along the way, our mentality, or our focus, is still, this is the low. So long it doesn't break this level, it's still in an overall bullish market structure. So guys, this is it. Just in case it drops, you know that even if it drops, as it drops, it's actually giving us opportunities to actually sell again more there at the bottom. But so far, that is the analysis, guys. I'm expecting the break, and we continue going higher and higher and higher up until we reach that negative 27%. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video, make sure you share the video. Thank you for watching.